turn your phone the other way. So we finally started recording a YouTube video.
Always
it's only supposed to be a 10-minute job, huh? Only supposed to be a 10-minute job.
On today's episode
of Liberty, Liberty, Liberty,
we put a hitch and some shitty wiring.
On the Liberty, 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 Liberty. Okay, so for some reason this takeoff harness needs power, so we just ran our power from under the hood, and thankfully it comes with one of these. So we'll do this. It's fucking one of these. Okay, power to the module. Ka-ching. What's next? Next we go to the engine bay. We didn't even cut this wire. This wire is like exactly the fucking length we needed it to be.
Thank you, Kurt.
You gave us the wrong bolts, but the right size wire. So we already went to Ace Hardware.
Got the right bolts.
Got the right bolts. We forgot. We thought we lost one and only had 5 instead of 6, but then we remembered that you were supposed to reuse one of the pre-existing frame bolts, so bought an extra bolt for no reason. You know how it goes. That's just the way. So again, it was supposed to be a 20-minute job. Wasn't even gonna make a video about this project, but here we are, making a video about the project. And I mean, that's life at the end of the day. We should be filming and vlogging everything we do every day, even if you don't plan on making a video about it. Don't plan on making it interesting. That's the YouTube life, isn't it? Ah! Crimpy McCrimp.
Did you crimp it on the right wire?
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. What happened though is we used to have 2 of those yellow stake-ons, and now I don't see it. Where did it go? I thought I lost the piece. Come with me. There it is. Just hidden away underneath,
nice and warm,
for you to never see ever again. Okay, very good. All right, this is what you came for my channel, to see me crimp. If you ever wanted to know how to crimp,
this is how.
Also, there is crumping, but that's different than this. Not very good at this. I'm using the yellow blue. I didn't even know that I was using the right one, but I was using that one.
Meanwhile, I'll let him work on my car.
Oh, ooh, I missed the crimp on that one. It's okay. Fuck. I guess I didn't crimp it good enough.
No.
What the hell? I used the right one, and I made the noise, so it was good. See, that was tight. We made the noise.
Now it should be crimped.
All right, Crimpy McCrimp. All right, see, we got our
Merry Crimpmas.
our fuse in there, because, you know, we're safety first. And then look, you know, because Jeep cares about us. It didn't spark, so I guess that's... Oh, the ground's not hooked up over there.
Oh, nice.
So
Should probably have the ground hooked up
first before then we get to watch that spark, I guess. That's a pretty big eyelet for...
What size bolt is
Do you think I can take this? All right, we'll just attach power to the box. I'm not really sure why, but that's what the instructions say to do.
Yeah, it should work.
I just hate this like aftermarket bullshit, you know? It's like...
It's just kind of in there.
Is this gonna work, or do I have to turn that a different direction now? Wrong way. Gotta redo everything. I guess we could go like that. Why not?
Jesus. Pull it, yeah.
I mean, I don't know how well it really like clipped on. Oh, it does have some kind of clip. Yeah, it's on there. That's it. All right. Let's close this fucking 100-pound hood. Jesus Christ, dude. You gotta get yourself a carbon fiber hood.
All right, let's see if it works.
Okay, here we go. Here you go, let's see. I would just go straight flashers. Oh yeah, buddy.
It works? No way.
All right. So now he's got a hitch rack.
And my lights work.
And lights, dude. Now we can squat up mad hard with the fucking lights, dude. Just turn the runners on, because you gotta turn the headlights on for them.
Anything?
No, they didn't go on.
Oh no.
What the heck? Alright, so I just opened up the connection in the plug.
Everything runs.
Runners are on. And the one jiggles, that's an internal wiring problem. Nice.
That's all right. It is what it is.
They're running.
It's good shit.
Now you can pretend like you're an 18-wheeler. What were you trying to do?
I was trying to do the Motor Trend thing where they like angle them towards each other.
Well, when you got a
The
parking
opening
spot
shot.
right next to you, and now you got matching Mopars, you gotta squat up, dude. Check it out, squat up. Roof rack. Yeah. Oh no, only one of my blinkers is working on the... You gotta jiggle my plug harness. Dude, that's a Mopar squad up right there. Yo, pose for a thumbnail. Come on, you gotta pose in between the two trucks for a thumbnail, dude.
Yo, is it just me or does my camera look real positive right now?
It probably is because it's more ass end heavy. Damn, son. You got that Jeep Durango Dodge?
Maybe.
Why you got that positive ass camber, boy?
Dude, I don't know.
When I was at the flea market last week, someone was like, yo, that's a Thule. That's a high quality piece.
What?
A Thule.
Oh my god.
It's Thule, bitches. Dude, this looks like an advertisement for cargo carriers.
I know, right? Should have a stand, but
Golf bags don't come with stands.
Yes,
I wish
they
they had a
do.
stand too.
A
No,
lot
that's
of
like the
them do.
extra thing.
you gotta spend money for that. That's
Well, I got this golf bag out of the trash, and I was gonna sell it, but Christian said, no, they're way nicer than mine. I gotta use them. I'm going golfing this Sunday.
Some lunatic was throwing them out in the
You have
trash.
golf clubs up there?
Nah, just camping gear.
Oh, nice. Just strap them onto the back rack.
Dude, we don't have a strap. I mean, you might, I don't.
You can have another strap.
I want to see if they fit in here.
I mean, this strap is so that it doesn't rattle around when you don't have anything on it, but you could take that strap off once there's weight on there to strap the weight down.
no, this is nice. Oh, hell yes. Hell yes. Pizza.
It's Friday,
And it's time for pizza.
which means that I'm putting the Papa John's thing on, and we got the Coca-Cola pizza delivery, and we're fucking suiting up. Pizza man certified.
Time to get the pies.
I could get that on recording.
No, it's too late now.
No, you gotta record, and I'll do it again. All right, so we're warming up the back of the truck to keep the pizzas at optimum temperature on the way home. This is the perfect pizza bake oven. Lots of insulation, lots of cover so that the pizzas don't roll around, and we got a cooler for any other kind of food that we might pick up other than pizzas or beverages. And if you guys need a what do I want to say, like contract a private pizza delivery boy, I'm at your service. We're full on pizza boy. All right, we're out here picking up Papa John's in Nova Trattoria. All right, I got all 6 pizzas loaded up. Drinks in the chicken marsala in the cooler. The heater going, it's nice and warm back here. I guess the wire won't let me lock it, that's okay. And it looks like our heater is taking our power from our Papa John's leg. But we're doing good. At your service. Why does your car talk to you like that?
Is it on?
Yeah, dude, come check it out. That's what you look like all the time now.
Yeah. It looks so good.
Alright, well, the day's over. The Liberty's leaving. And I just busted out the lights, the light box, because his license plate lights were out, so we fixed those. It's good to see that his reverse lights are working. And the Liberty is gonna hit the streets with its runner lights for the first time. Looking pretty good. Is that what that was?
The caliper seized again.
Alright, well, good night. Good luck. Get back to Asbury. We out.